The kitchen, the heart of your house, should be both beautiful and eco-friendly. A sustainable kitchen design allows for a gorgeous, environmentally responsible space for years to come. This article offers essential tips for planning a sustainable kitchen, whether renovating or building new. If you're committed to zero-waste cooking, sustainability should be a key factor in any kitchen upgrades. Starting in the kitchen is a noble choice to raise awareness about sustainability in every aspect of living. A sustainable kitchen uses recyclable or repurposed materials and minimizes waste. It employs sustainable construction methods, including lighting, water-saving features, energy-efficient equipment, and suitable heating and cooling techniques. To create an eco-friendly kitchen, consider building materials and appliances. Your kitchen can help you save money on utilities and lessen your environmental impact. Use sustainable building materials for long-term energy savings and carbon footprint reduction. These materials often last longer and require less upkeep than conventional ones. Bamboo is a popular, sturdy, and fast-growing sustainable material, ideal as a main theme in rural or off-grid homes. Reclaimed wood cabinets are high quality, long-lasting, and affordable, giving your home a special, gorgeous, and enduring touch. Contemporary designs combine wood and colored cabinets for urban homes, while rural kitchens favor full wooden cabinets using reclaimed wood. Eco-friendly paint is beneficial for the environment in your household. Choose water-based paints to reduce volatile organic compounds, VOCs. True eco paints are made responsibly, use recyclable packaging, and contain minimal plastic. When choosing countertop materials, consider location, manufacturer, aesthetics, functionality, upkeep, and price. Quartz and recycled glass are popular for their durability and modern look. Other options include bamboo, paper composite, reclaimed wood, plastic, and stainless steel, depending on availability, compatibility, and cost. Resin over concrete flooring replicates the appearance of polished concrete with improved sustainable features, although it may be slightly more expensive. Energy-efficient kitchen equipment increases energy efficiency while simplifying operation. Consider changing your gas range for an induction one to reduce energy usage, heating only the cookware. Factors to consider include the location of the dwelling, urban or rural, main kitchen or dirty kitchen, single detached home or condominium, and the cost of equipment. Inverter-type refrigerators and freezers, with optimized storage temperatures, consume less energy and reduce food waste. Look for energy rating labels to calculate energy requirements and operating costs. Prioritize water conservation with low-flow dishwashers and washing machines. Maximize natural light with skylights, light-colored paint, and mirrors. At night, use LED lighting, which is 75 to 80% more efficient than incandescent bulbs, reducing energy costs and waste. Sustainable kitchen design is gaining popularity. Consider looking for manufacturer names with sustainability to ensure they prioritize environmental responsibility through carbon-neutral production, reforestation programs, recyclable packaging, and renewable energy systems. We hope this has helped you achieve environmentally and economically sustainable results.